Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we'll show you how to remove your profile picture on Google Profile. So let's get started. First go to the Gmail app. Then tap on the top left menu. Then select Settings. Then choose your Google account. And click Manage your Google account. Go to the Personal tab. Select Go to About Me at the bottom of the page. Tap on Manage your profile picture. Then click on Remove or change your profile picture form here. So, that's all for today. And I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.